We're studying the atmosphere of Saturn, the rings, the moons, the magnetic environment, and sending all the data back to Earth.
We have seen for the first time that there is material coming off of the surface of the moon and streaming out behind it, and we see that it's forming part of the rings. We're only finding out now how old they are, how young some of them are. Did they come from an old broken up satellite? Are they still being regenerated? Why have they lasted so long?
So it's really cold, and we're seeing a lot of these lakes. It's really the land of lakes, more than Minnesota. The surface temperature on Titan is very, very cold. Water ice is hard as a rock, okay? It's not going to be a liquid. So we know that water ice is not forming these lakes. However, if you go back to the atmosphere, you have natural gas, methane. Its properties are just right, the temperatures are just right, that it condenses, forms rivers, and eventually these lakes.
Saturn is like the solar system as a whole in miniature. You start to answer questions that we want to know about life on Earth, like how did life start here, how did the solar system form? You can study that on a smaller scale at Saturn.